Hello everybody, and my hair is another mess today. And today, because I literally actually just woke up. And I just wanted to say another little happy birthday to my kitty. Right, Putty? She is being so loud for the camera, guys. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. She's like, leave me alone. And she is such a cutie. This is a toys I let her see yesterday, which I do know that she loves. Come on, buddy, go jump up for them. Oh, she jumped, baby. She's going crazy with these. Alright, and she does not like that, which I don't even know what that is. And today is actually my cousin's birthday party. And I need to go grab some of slimes. I know you're going to follow me, poops. So, let's go.
I got the 2 waffles, Carly.
Okay.
And he comes out and it's both one. And then I can make one.
So, my cat is chasing me up the freaking stairs. Of course. Alright, so I'm very tired. These are all slimes that this is a slime smoothie that I haven't even, hey, I found her. This is just doing random things, so that's how I call the video. Alright, this is definitely not even close to all my slimes. All of my slimes are literally bigger than probably my dad's. They will probably all fall up there because there's like 29,000. I'm just kidding. I know exactly how many there are right now. Right now there are 78. And I added some brown to this, and it's ew, I gotta wipe that off. Oh my god, this, oh my, I cannot. This does have a scent of like cocoa. Like, not like, like cocoa that, like, it's just like a cocoa scent. Like a cinnamon cocoa. Yeah, like cinnamon. I prefer not to put this on your desk because it does leave some residue when you poke it. And you can't stretch it a little, just a little. Oh, guys, I am so lucky that my camera didn't break. Oh my god. Holy, oh my god. Here's this one. 4th of July slime for my cat. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And this was just a little happy birthday to my cat. And then she doesn't care about those. And then me just doing a review of some 3 little slimes, which 2 of them are bad, and this one is perfect. It's not that stretchy, but it wants to stretch, but it rips though. Like, it gets too stringable. There's still some more up in this bag, so like. So bye, guys.